So hello everybody, today I will be running you through the code for 2.3.7 Code1.0 circle pyramid. So what you're going to want to have is this over here, which as you can see I already have that. If I want to make it faster I can do speed 0 right there for the fastest possible time. So here this first code pin up means, so the first area it moves, it will not trace a line. So as you see there, that first area you don't want it to trace a line. I do superposition -100, -200 on the graph right here. So it will put Tracy the turtle to about right here. So, and then I do for I in range 3, this command makes this down here, everything that's indented, repeat itself 3 times since I put this 3 in here. And you are going to want this pinned down right here so you can start having the thing. Then you're going to want to do a circle, then pin up and forward 100 so that this circle, so that in between the circle it does not draw a line. Like as you can see here, there it will not draw a line. Then it will draw a line because pin down circle 50, then pin up forward 100, so it will not draw a line there, as you can see. And then you are going to want to have pin up here, so when I'll just do this a little faster. You can still probably see. So I'll do this, so it will not draw a line. Then you'll have pin up and then superposition 50, 100. So we'll go back right there. Do 2 more with the for I in range pin down, circle 50, pin up, forward 100. And then after that, you're going to want to have another pin up so that will pretty much make it so that Tracy the turtle does not draw a line in that specific area. And so it won't draw a line, now it'll draw 2 circles there. Then it'll go up because superposition 0, 0, that is in the exact middle of the picture. And then you will have pin down and then circle 50. So you draw the circle, and yes, that is how to do and what all the codes mean for circle pyramid. Thank you.